Jose Mourinho has leaped to the defense of his side following Manchester United's exit in the Champions League at the hands of Sevilla, but done so in typical Mourinho fashion. The Portuguese manager has responded with a passionate 12-minute rant to the midweek defeat, which included discussing the club's heritage and feels he is doing a rebuilding job on the European stage. The Red Devils were booted out of Europe by the Spanish outfit Sevilla after a 2-1 loss at Old Trafford, meaning Manchester City and Liverpool are the only two remaining English teams in the competition, but they were pitted together in Friday's draw. Mourinho's side have come in for heavy criticism following their elimination and were expected to make a real fist of things in the Champions League this campaign. They last won the top European crown back in 2008 when they defeated rivals Chelsea on penalties, but have really struggled in the competition recently. Mourinho has urged United supporters to be patient with his developing side and feels they are following a process to future success. "I say to the fans that the fans are the fans and have the right to their opinions and reactions, but there is something that I used to call football heritage," Mourinho said in his press conference via the Mirror. And what a manager inherits is something like the last time Manchester United won the Champions League, which didn't happen a lot of times, was in 2008. So in the last 4 years the best was fourth. This is football heritage. Means that when you start the process you are here, you are there, or you are there, is heritage. And if the fans, that I will always respect, if the fans, and many of them are the ones you speak with, many of them are the ones I speak with, and I am very lucky, but the ones who speak with you are very disappointed, and the ones I speak with know what is football heritage, what is a process, and when I arrive. United did lift the Europa League last season to earn their spot in the Champions League, but their supporters have very high demands. What do United fans make of Mourinho's sensational comeback?